Good morning, 5-6 students. Now, we had a long weekend, but we still need to go back to have a look at our science lesson so we don't fall behind. So 5-6 students, you will predict and investigate how much light will be transmitted through an object. Students must decide if the light is opaque, translucent, or transparent. So, opaque. Opaque materials do not allow light to pass through them. Objects made of opaque materials cast shadows where the light is absorbed or reflected. So, for example, a solid wall. If you have a look at the picture here, they're using the torch and there's a solid object there and the light isn't going through it. Another example is the blue cup. Now, it's a solid blue colour and the torch will reflect or be absorbed by the cup. Translucent. Translucent materials allow some light to pass through. However, the light that passes through is diffused, so an item is not clearly visible. For example, frosted glass. So when I was having a look around my house, the best example I found was the glass in the bathroom. So it is translucent, so you can kind of see a shadow if somebody was on the other side, but you can't see exactly who it is. So go check out your bathroom and have a look. The examples they've given us here is like a frosted glass and a cup that is still a little bit see-through, but it's translucent, so you can't completely see straight through it. Transparent. Now, transparent materials allow light to pass through them. For example, clear glass. If something is transparent, you can see through it clearly, okay? So glass on your windows, glass on the cars, or a glass cup, or a plastic cup even, so you can clearly see through it. Now, in your booklets, if you have a look in Monday's section, there is a science experiment. It's called See Light Through Me. The equipment that you need are tissues, a photo frame that's empty with no photo in, a book, a hat, a clear drinking glass or a clear cup, Glad wrap, and a light source. So we can use the torch again from our phones, or if you use something else, that would be wonderful. So the method, our first job, having a look at our booklet, we have to make a prediction. So using the table in the top of your book, we need to make a prediction if the object will be opaque, translucent, or transparent. So you have to do that for each of those objects. Set up your light source so that it is shining on a wall. Now, we're not going to be moving it. After we've set it up, it stays there, okay? Hold the first object, so let's say the tissue, between the light source and the wall and observe what happens to the light on the wall. Using the second table, circle the correct answer. So repeat the process with all the objects. If you are missing one or two of these objects, maybe grab something else from around the house. Have a go with some other things that you might find around the house that you're wondering if they are opaque, translucent, or transparent. Then go on to complete the questions on the next page, drawing up a mud map of how you set up your experiment. Hope you have fun with this. Can't wait to see your photos and hear how it all went. Have a great day.